Hey guys, today let's learn how to actually add, or rather to upload our resume on LinkedIn over on the mobile application. Okay, so how do you actually head on and upload your resume if you have one already done and prepared for you to use, and you want to actually upload it already onto your LinkedIn account? Well, first of all, you need to sign onto your account. In this case, I'm going to sign in using my Google account real quick. Okay, so basically, once you have logged in onto your account, all we need to do is to head on over and add our location. Hey, great! Okay, so basically, if you have already an account over here on LinkedIn, all we need to do, guys, this is just basically search for jobs over here. And then, of course, as you can see, we have the option to search a job over here if you want to search for a job. Now, basically, once you're here, all you need to do is to read all of the job details and apply for this position. You could also upload your CV over here. So basically, if you want to upload your resume all you need to do is to click on Apply first. And as you can see here, you could now submit your CV, email address, your last name, and your first name so that you could actually apply for this position and then possibly get hired by this specific company. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. So basically, all we need to do is to add what kind of skill that you are currently doing. In this case, let's try to add video editing or something like that, or just editing in general. Editor, okay. As you can see, we have a few video editing options over here that actually need some talent and skills from LinkedIn. And of course, they're looking for some clients and service providers so that they could actually, provide their needs over on to the specific client. So basically, if you want to apply and upload your resume on LinkedIn, first of all, you need to head on over and choose a job. Let's actually choose to this job, which has 12 applicants. Okay, perfect, and click on Apply.